Hi there, just making a quick video of the Oreck XL Professional Air Purifier. Here, let me turn off the TV so that it can be silent and you can hear how nice and quiet it is. It's on silence now. I'll get close. Isn't that quiet? And it's on. Let me get a piece of paper or tissue or something so that you can see it's on. See, so I'm going to go on medium, and then this is high. So it well, let me turn it off. When I turn it off, the night light does give the option on and off. I'm guessing this is this little night light thing here. Check collector cell, change odor absorber, and air revitalizer. Now the odor absorber is right here, and it looks like, yep, it could be replaced unless that's the original color. I don't. This is stuff that I got at a sale, so I guess you need to Google to see if that color is a clean color or the change color. Now, I'm gonna open it. So let me put the camera down so that you open it from here. And there's the little brush to clean. And this is the Truman Cell Electrostatic Precipitator. Oreck proprietary technology. Fancy pantsy. So I guess I need my hands again. I need a tripod is what I really need. But okay, so I'm just gonna pull it out and set it on top. It's pretty clean. Here's the little filter, and here's another one, and they both look fine. It's clean, nothing's broken. And remove, install. So remove. Oh, so you remove. What's that all about? I don't know what that is. Oh, hello. Well, because it said right there, remove, install. So I guess this is how you remove this. And I guess this is how you install it. Duh. Alright, so that's there. This piece needs to go back in here. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. Yeah. So it slides right back in here. Now I know that there's a lot of YouTube videos out there that you can YouTube, so you can clean it. And this is the filter that probably can be cleaned too, because I know that you can clean them. You just got to make sure they're super dry before you put it back on there. And so patience. Ah, okay. So there it is, and then it slides back up, and I do need my two hands to get back in there. Come on, little vermin. Well, I'm not gonna force it, but I think this is how you do it. Tap it down. I've done this a couple of times because I've sold a few of these. Are you still there? I'm sorry. I laugh at myself many times. I like me. Okay. I did this a little slower so that I'll make sure that everything lines up. Oh wait, am I supposed to turn this? Darn it, I don't want to have to do another video. Okay, put the front one on, remove, reduce. I don't want to list it as parts because I don't know how to put this thing back on. That's what I'm laughing at. You still there? Yeah, I know it. Okay, you could have gone on this trip with me if I had a tripod. No, I'm just being funny. And I have to put this thing back on. There. Jeez Louise. It's on. And I'm going to turn it on so you can see that I didn't break it. I'm just clumsy. So there's the silence mode. There's the medium. And there's the cyclone. Okay, so I'm just going to take a quick video of the back part too. There's a phone number, customer service, and there is the serial number and the model number. And the loose residue is no extra charge. Probably with some like Goo Gone or something you can take that off. But there it is, and it will be for sale. Da da da!